Yeah, but Jesus Christ was black.
He's black, vele, because that guy did the most black thing. He salaita kung wa boya. The whites don't do that. They show up for their kids.
No. Salayla, how much? And doesn't the power of Jesus kind of like take that?
That's the thing. They
darkness?
don't preach.
Because when they talk about it in the name of Jesus Christ.
No, exactly. They just say in the name of Jesus Christ, but everything that they're saying is not in the Bible. They never preach about things in the Bible because when they do that, so they need to talk about the miracles. See, now I have a lot of deal breakers. Like there was this one time I genuinely blocked this guy because he farted.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to what is the name of the show?
Yeah, I said it. Unfiltered podcast with me, Pinky, and Karek. I forgot your name. And we have a guest today. Please introduce yourself.
All right, I'm a casting agent. And so like on agents make
You're a casting agent. What does it mean to be a
Before like in such a like a Zulu way, like
No.
oh I shall.
what does it mean to be a casting agent for people that don't know what a casting agent does or
Okay.
all that?
Ukuba casting agent, no? Is when you are dealing with the cast. Okay, as it tell you from the cast and the agent. So the cast obviously whatever cast I can't do about anxiety, but Castello maybe for a certain production of film or commercials. Yes.
So TV
are part of a cast. So most kuluma cast is kuluma about and a band and ba appear in TV. It either be the small screen or the big screen. It depends. But yes, ilabo band to labo about Castello for that certain maybe project, maybe a movie or commercial. And then when we are an agent, it's when you are taking care of Labo Band. Because in order for them, to be part of the production or part of whatever the movie, as I've mentioned, the commercials, kumele Labo Band to Labo, baludule through when the casting agent.
So basically you're the middleman.
You are the middleman. We front runner, but at the same time you're middleman. So that means you're licensing. You're someone that was a touch of the movie. You make some opportunity to was afraid. While I was an actor or just kind of
Okay, that's nice.
That's interesting.
So how do you know which type of people to work with, and also what other productions have you what things that we know have you worked on or casted for?
Okay, I've casted for different productions. So amongst the different productions, the president kungaba ukuthi bakastela for a movie, low budget, or any budget, or zero budget, scala lapho, and then kunama commercials. Commercials is where you deal with my clients with a certain product that may they advertise. So it's a thing about because in order for you to an advert, a complete ad, you may not get about. And then obvious music videos still now is part of
Yeah.
more than do my work in tell child or understand. So coming back to your question, as an agent, you cast for normal productions, you give them the talent, but you get a labo back. In order for them to be part of the production, because it's shoot. So now still the production side, we will go soapies or what's a drama series are different and getting our Castella before. So the list is endless.
Name drop, man. Like give us something.
This name drop.
Just name drop something.
Okay. I think sometimes out of example, our white paint and our booker, maybe ngizokhumbula I 18 or 15.
Aye.
But let me just say, yeah, ngicastile for, okay. Ngizobala la ngathi kube kwabaluleka khona kakhulu. Okay, the river. Yes, ngizakhaste izinto casting agents. Kwabuya futhi kwaba iGqeberha the Empire. Castile kakhulu. All season 1, season 2, kanjalo la with the river. And then going back to Moja Love ngicastile for different shows under Moja Love, Ufelani.
Oh, I want to be there. I want to act on the Fanani so much, guys.
No, it's unfortunate, which manje, you can't be part of the Ufelani.
Yeah.
Because it's a backstory. So at this point in time, abadinga ama-actors, abadinga abantu abazo-actor, but those are story. And then labantu laba abazo-actor, it's not exactly isibone dialogue, but obviously kuzoba nama-reaction nani kanjalo. And then welcome Mzansi Creed, Lito. Yes, so lezo was under iphoyisa under Moja Love, ne? And then sabuya ke sabhuka ke la ku Community Media Trust, kunama ads.
Yeah.
Yes, ama commercials. Sabuya futhi saba ku in the village still ama commercials. Senza Capitec. Senza ne ngizobiza ngane kunale pills le, okay. I think ngizokhumbula. Kusho ukuthi lawo ma-stills. So lama-stills lawo hambisana nama-commercials. It's not exactly ukuthi kumele irane as a video ukuthi uyibukele, but ikhona ama-stills yokuthi basebenzisa isithombe sakho. Yes, basebenzisa isithombe sakho. The name of the police i-PrEP. So i-PrEP, abantu aba under the Department of Health but familiar with the PrEP.
Take your PrEP. I've been saying, take your PrEP.
Take PrEP.
Yes, currently manje kubhukelwa i-shows odlala ku-Netflix bayibiza nge-Retribution season 1. Yes, sihambisile nje ama-background lapho. And by the way, as much as any casting agent ngine-partner, ngibambisile sibambisile. So sisebenza sonke. It's more like mangibambele gig le nayo yabe-assista nama-assistant. Sabuya ke sabhuka nako Pound for Pound le bedlala ku BET under Ibakwena Productions.
Isn't the one that didn't pay people?
Yes.
What happened to that?
The problem is, I don't know what's happening there, but engakusho ukuthi namanje sikangabhadaleki, we've been getting ama-excuses, and sikazezwa nokuthi bathi bayibhadale imali yakhona, but it's unfortunate ukuthi itha.
They paid to who though? Like, cause no one received, cause there've been like a whole lot of conversation that a lot, especially the background artists, they were not paid.
No, they were not paid because Bukile vele, yes, bekunama background artists, and then bekunalaba obvious ama-features. Remember, bekunama background
And the features and the main.
Kube nama-beat parts, supporters, sizofika kumina, kama ngama-levels. So nalabo ke kusho ukuthi imali abayithola.
Listen, there's a lot of stigma around this casting agency industry.
Yeah.
A lot of people have been complaining, Jorge. I've been in a lot of productions, I've been extras in this and this and this, but I've never really gotten any money from the casting director. And how does the money situation work? Because as you just explained, né? I like if somebody, let's say I'm under your casting agency.
Yes.
If somebody wants to book me, they have to go through you.
Yeah.
I can't just go and say, hi, I'm popular and I'm
No.
So to pass
They have to pass through you.
Sure, pay casting.
So what happens now if a lot of people are saying, I've been in this, but I don't know what the background negotiations, the casting agent, what his commission is, whether I'm going to get paid. Because a lot of people were saying, we end up just doing these things for the publicity. And
You don't even get publicity, honestly.
Really? As a background actor?
As a background, no. Who's gonna notice you are blurred on the camera? No one's gonna notice that. No one's gonna
Can
notice.
you at least clarify in that situation what happens?
Clarify. Let me elaborate. Okay. When it comes to indaba yelona yokuba casting agent nabantu kumele bashoot, obviously angeke ngize production to say whether you can just come and shoot it us. It depends. Okay, if you're a well-known actor, it's easier for ukuthi banga contact upon the production. Yeah,
Without
the agency. Okay.
Bakubize because kune role abacreate yona. So now the role abacreate yona The agreement is gonna be from the production to when I artist. It's okay. Tina for the part player because it's for now to be the lead in the show or the support supporting the show here to since for this much here's a contract obvious contract of agreement you have to sign. Say when no too. And then coming back to my agent, it's mina ngikhuluma ne-production. The production wants you ukuthi uhambe uyoshutha ne so wena obviously uzohambe uyoshutha but kumele kube ne-agreement between mina nawe. The agreement ithi
Between the artist and the
between the artist and the agent. The artist and the agent, the agreement ithi go and shoot for this much nayo rate yakho ne. Obviously, I'm as an agent, see, I understand that I'll be the one doing my invoice, the invoicing, and then I have to take a certain percentage. Yes, because obviously with an click now, I have to get something. Okay, and then the call sheets, the call time, the location, you go, you shoot. Like character, I go 900 million, you know? And then coming back to Mina as a agent, I have to do the invoice. So invoicer to the production. Now the production must pay the agent. So because agent, your MLA set up the full responsibility of the artist. Laba balthumela setting ukuthi lihambe liyoshoot ukuthi lenza this. Maybe uzodlala uMamlambo, I'm just making an example. Now imali kaMamlambo. Because mina as an agent, I have to send an invoice to say ushutile uMamlambo, nayi rate yakhe, nawa amalanga washutile as an artist now. So please pay my artist. So mina babhadala as an agent, then agent kumele ibhadale. Yes, people must get paid. Coming back to Linda, but I'm agent, no, it depends. As if funny, and I'm agent, I want to write over if there's money.
what about if it's not a big role, like if it's a what is this?
So na di-background motho o fetang ka metsi fela.
Okay, kunama levels, obviously, nalapho. We know ukuthi ikabini background la scala khona phansi awubonakali, you're just the prop, you're moving up and down, siyabona. So manje ngasibona kusebenzisa sibona. The camera capture the movement yalabo bantu aba-background because ama-background babalekile because angeke ngisho that
Otherwise, it's staged. It doesn't look.
Ngingama-leads kungenabantu abamuvayo angithi ama-background in the story they tell a story. They are part of the production. They must bring the story to life. Akube ne-movement akubonakala impilo yabona. So yes, every production they pay for ama-background kumele aphaye. Even though it's not much, it's less, of course. Malingana kusimali but they must get paid.
What is Malingan?
Like,
Okay.
I think I can name drop Generation, for instance.
Yes.
There's been such a very chaotic conversation that they still pay a background 180 rand. Like, make that make sense. I can't know a background.
What is the industry?
Pass
industry
in there, but 180 rand doesn't say.
What is the industry standard for background actors?
There isn't, honestly. I don't think there is, or is there? There isn't.
It depend on how big the production is, maybe.
I don't think so. I think a lot of times background are treated harshly. You can correct me if I'm wrong. They're treated harshly. Half the time they're exploited because like the background, they have to be on set probably by 7 a.m.
In the morning, yes.
And finish late. They don't even cater for transport. They give them that food, the work food of the part, like after everyone has eaten the people, the production.
The stars.
The stars, the production. And then background, the crumbs. Like, even if the thing, like, or like you'll see yourself out. And then you have to, because some other people are actually desperate. They're not just desperate, you want to be a star. They're desperate, I need something to put food on the table. I need something, push a shelter in. So you can't have a person spending literally the entire day at a set, you pay them 180 rand, and then you treat them trash, like they're not human. But then you keep on saying that they're needed for the thing. So now, honestly, when I thought casting agency, I thought you guys were like meant to protect more than anything. But then now you find out that there are a lot of casting agencies that exploit also the background. Exactly, because they don't protect.
When you want to enter the space, acting, let's say get to Northwestern and then I always see people on TV and then they
like, I also want to be on TV.
I wanna be in TV, right? So I don't know the information. No, actually, I get to know background actor.
Exactly.
Do you understand? So obviously, if a casting director says to me, "This is how we work," this is the only truth that I know because this is the first person that I see.
Yeah.
You understand? So what I also want to understand is the industry standard. Yeah, the percentage that you guys get. Let's say you get an actor. Ne? What is the industry standard that you like percentage? I think
As an agency.
is it 10%?
No, it depends. Depends because kunama agent the big name agencies under umbrella, the body PMA, personal management authority, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Those are agencies amakhulu whereby labo ba restricted ukuthi they have to deduct 10%. If I'm not mistaken, yes, the big name agencies. Eyabo vele, and as long as under PMA, and then sekuba nathi thina singekho under PMA, thina ke siyathatha ke ngama 20%, but you're not allowed to take more than 25%, which is sometimes
Oh, so that's the
yes,
it's good information.
Yeah, so was some agencies athatha ngama 30-35. No, that's some. Yeah. Okay, point of correction. Coming back to our generations and the 180. Remember, as far like our agencies are booker for that same show, but now I'm rates work on a question schedule fun. Manga booker generations at mina ama backgrounds on is at 200. But abanye 180, abanye 160. It depends. It's okay. The agent
What is the goal?
Yeah, but because as far as operating of fun. Yeah.
But also, with regards to what you're saying, that agencies get to choose how much they pay the background, and unfortunately, they do talk about how I was paid little, that one was paid 250. Apparently, there's a chat that you guys, as casting agencies, have like a group where you, I don't know, kind of like make your own rules as to saying that ko generation re patala 200, kai re patala 250, kai re patala 2. So if a new casting agency tries to pay people fairly, like there was this guy apparently who was paying people 250 and he got silenced real quick because of the other agencies that have been dominant in this, paying people the 180 till the 160.
Yeah, not possible because in most cases abanye abantu abafuna ukexpose abafuna ukuthi kube khona ngono badala better than abanye.
Competition. Kill the competition. It's like selling drugs.
The competition is right. The competition is stiff.
Gotta kill the competition.
So yeah, if wena ubhadala kangcono then khumbula ukuthi nathi uyasabotage. And asifuna ukuthi sitholakale ube ngathi thina yithi ngathi ababhedayo. Uyabona? Asifuna ukuba under le radar ukuthi okay lezi ngathi yamthola abanazwelo like bashaya imbazo yabona, and then sekufika le
Imbazo weapon.
yeah, the holy one ubhadala kangcono, and then imele simnikeze
Eliminate.
yeah, eliminate. Yeah.
That's rough.
Yeah, so vele asibhadali ngokufana.
Yeah.
Ama-rates awafani, but i-production ngizokwenzela example. Angisho ukuthi kunjalo. Maybe ngaba le production ezothi thina background we are paying 350. And then mina ngizobona ama-agent ukuthi ngithatha kanjani. Enye agent kule 350, maybe enye izothatha 50 rand, ibhathale 3. That's my rate. Ifike enye agent ithi mina 28. Asazi ukuthi uthatha malini, and then sekuba khona ozothi ngibhadala 250, athathe that.
But the artist is never gonna know how much.
The artist, the background.
No, the background akekho, because remember, as a background, mina uma ngiza kuwe mina ngizotshela nge-rate. Yes,
Like everything is finalized.
It's 250.
Like
Obvious, it's more like take it on it. You're a shooter.
Yeah. I heard that with commercials, it's different. Like if you're featured in a commercial, ne, and the more it plays on TV, the more it's on the billboards,
the more you get paid.
The more you get paid.
So it's payment per usage with commercials.
Yes, it's per usage. Thank you very much. Yeah, obviously, but the usage. But remember, imali yakhona vele obviously izoba phezulu, socela lapho the rates.
So it's different. It's different from everyday soapy.
No, it's different.
Very different.
Very different.
Yeah, it's very different. Because obviously, socela ngama-rates wakhona. Ama-rates wakho measure they're huge.
Like crazy.
Yeah, like crazy.
Like
I once
11K.
saw a call. I think it was for Telkom or something. Then the call, I think, was 20,000 per whatever. I was like, oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
So you can imagine nkgono lo wa di-Uber Eats. We etsa nje.
And also, I like, I see what one commercials.
They pay that.
Abadala. And also, I saw one commercials as a patala. Who say Vita no be adala. Amanye is a once off. It's an adala commercial. Only to find good when you are paid
10% of the money made thing.
The only thing on a pin patale is when you move manager from the space say television, so you people. People maybe gonna reach your phone. Yeah, young child. You paid the Huti Dale, he at TV. Now you have to be paid the Huti or Huti
For the billboard.
So people.
So different platforms.
Yeah, different platforms, different rates, different payments. But in this kind of
All right. Well, now you know. Let's ask everyone, guys. Hey, let's get mana. Anyway.
Yes, also, man, like, you know what I wanted to ask him?
yeah.
It's been trending a lot on my Twitter feeds.
Yeah.
A lot of actors or actresses, they always end up seeking donations from the public, and
You see that now. You see that chat.
so that the money there is not sustainable.
I don't think it's the money. You as a person, you're the problem. You know very well the industry that you're in is not sustainable. You can't always have
It's
work.
like playing soccer.
You can't always have work. You don't maintain your health,
lifestyle
your
as
anything.
well.
You don't try to build anything that has a proper foundation saying, okay, I'm in this thing for like 12 seasons. What am I going to do with the money? Half of these people, they've lived fleshy lives. And then no broke no.
Said something in an interview when she was about to blow up. Like she actually blew up, but then Chelete Nisoka inni.
Tell them it's okay, but the fame was there.
Yeah, the fame was there. So she would climb a taxi, and every time she climbed the taxi, people would
You see, that's the thing.
You understand?
So people allow that to get in your heads. Okay, na guy, taxi. Okay, na guy, honest. Okay, na guy. Me being on a show, me being here doesn't mean I'm making money yet. So I think people should just stop
we have different
living
goals in
flash.
life. That's
Exactly. So no matter say the Gucci bag, outside Gucci bag can't pay your rent. Otlolela morona. Ay, fuck man. Because we've had parents who did like proper jobs. They've suffered. Not even once did they go on social media and say, "Yo, I can't take Pinky to school. I can't do that." We're not just because we've seen you on TV, you feel entitled to ask us for money. When you were living flashy, who did you help? Who did you help? Who did you help?
That's true.
So
So guys, I think also artists need to have financial literacy.
honestly,
Yeah, and actually, because with fame, bruh, it comes
and it goes.
Things. I want to know what to television in peace.
No, I think okunye kuhambisana nokuthi
Aye.
yeah, ngina standards enosesayo.
Yeah, because we're a star.
Kumele ngene Shoprite ngenza.
You see, it's
So now you need to go grocery shopping for
Khona la downstairs.
downstairs.
At some point ngaka kubenzima ukuthi sihambe siye Shoprite siyothenga. Because ngizothenga why ngivela TV but ngizothenga Shoprite. No, I ukuthi mhlawumbe ngicikela phansi Shoprite. You understand ukuthi obviously Shoprite. Yeah, the standard. Yebo. And then kube nama yini kamp.
But now when the work is done, you still have to maintain the standard because you already inflicted it upon yourself. I can't be seen out. You know.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna see me. I'm not gonna get a quarter. Next rega, and I go rega 19 rand. I'm gonna rega last number.
And also futhi to add on that, you understand ukuthi la kule industry kunjani ne? I-gig yakho ayina guarantee ukuthi
doesn't.
when is your next gig? Awazi angisho. Because into eyenzakalayo, yes, ukule show le namhlanje
Yeah.
uyi-superstar angisho.
No famous and everything.
Famous man. But remember kunama writers are different. Remember i-character yakho kwesinye isikhathi it-determinwa ama-viewers.
Yeah.
You understand? Are we getting bored?
Nini
What's
babolaya.
happening ngayilo? Because kusasa awusekho relevant, you understand? Like when I so
And then they have to
predictable,
write you out of the store.
and then now when I see kick, it's a big dog.
Unless if fully David Chinar.
Exactly.
You die and come back. You die and come back. You die.
Yeah. Yeah, we understand.
Yeah.
Abashoni like bahamba
Because
babuye.
they maintain.
Yeah, obviously. Even on the show, nayo ishow uthola ukuthi iboostwa nayo le presence yakho.
Yeah, just your presence.
Yeah, just ukuthi presence yakho ikhona. Le show iyakwazi ukurun. Yeah. And then iyafana nebhola. Remember, it's a short-term career. Asazi ukuthi kusasa uma une injury usengabuya yini or ngeke.
Wow.
Okay, sharp. We are celebrity ukule show le. Maybe kusasa futhi isiphinde simoshe thina because uba big headed ube nama tantrums ube na this now you become difficult ukuthi sisebenze nawe, you understand?
Now you
And
are
then,
killing your job.
I-reference yakhe thina izothi thina sine production le uma uzosibuza ngalomuntu lo ukuthi bekazinikeza inkinga angeke vele sithamba manga boyisha ama queen bona le inkinga zakho esethi mosinikeza inkinga you're difficult more than ahead so nenye production kuzoba nzima ukuthi sisebenze nawe.
Because like I don't want to deal with that.
Remember phela le industry ibuya ngathi inkulu kanti.
I've seen who's this lady? What Volvo? She's a BA for the Volvo. Jessica Nkosi.
Oh yeah.
There was a show called Lavish or something. It was my first background what. So when I was there, like she was throwing a whole tantrum. Like the shoot was supposed to happen during the day, but she was just being all over the place.
Give me my water. I don't want.
Literally, she was like, "I want sparkling." Like, over Metsi. So I don't know what was the entire conversation, but Metsi was part of the conversation. Gagona sparkling water.
And about a certain brand.
Let me tell you, nothing was shot until 11 p.m. After the shoot, the production team didn't even care. I said, the way was so pissed. I'm like,
Yeah, into abazenzayo vele.
And my chat is,
Bakwenza.
no shade, but my chat is, a lot of these people can't even act. Just because you can memorize land doesn't mean you're an actress, guys.
And it goes with we as viewers we're guilty of only consuming things that feature people that we know.
That we know. Like you see, there's a series go on Netflix. No, the star actors there. The production is so proper. Like everything, like you devour. Like that is what acting is. So, you are always casting. You're always casting. They don't even give us variety.
When Skim Sam casted, who's this? The guy Unganindlo. The ratings that Skim Sam went up. When he was,
and then they were bashing him.
Yeah, but then there's no such thing as bad publicity. Well, especially in this industry.
Yeah, there isn't. Because you can always turn around.
Yeah.
Well, half of the time you can turn around.
Up, they even had to push Skim Sam to another
to 7 p.m. Yeah,
because now a lot of people want to watch Skim Sam.
Yes,
because of the actor Ona player Romeo, and I remember there was a casting call.
I really liked his Romeo character.
Yeah, more than this one.
I fell in love. I was like, muapo. Anyway, moving to another conversation. I want to talk about deal breakers. Like
you, okay.
Let's start with yours. What's your deal breaker? Hey!
I
have a lot of deal breakers. Like there was this one time I genuinely blocked this guy because he farted. Like, no, guys, I can explain.
I knew this topic was going to be a problem.
No, I can explain. And you are literally meeting me for like the second time, and you are so comfortable to fart. Don't do that. Like, I genuinely feel like you hate me. So it's like I don't want this.
So when is the right time to fart?
To fart?
Yeah,
probably like. I know.
But girls do that, bro. Girls have this thing.
Guys, we don't poop.
Dependa ngisho phela. Uma kudependa nangale let's say i-relationship ngisho. Ukuthi okay, so now
You can fart.
you are comfortable.
I can fart, but not
and then
comfortable
you can
to
fart.
fart.
Like, but
You can burp. I
I
can forgive burping, but like fart. Even like the silent one. And then the clank. You guys,
So you
no.
dump that person for that.
I literally was like, please don't ever talk to me again.
So kusho ukuthi lapho vele sikhatha off just like
Yeah,
that.
What else? What other deal breakers do you have?
I think it's okay. It's fucking any sign of stinginess. Because I'm not saying I want your money, but it's like if
If you can.
if you always gonna be like, oh, so this that means you could never even have a thing or I'm gonna see this and then think of Pinky and want to buy it for Pinky. Because so such things and about they lead to, you know, to violation, abuse,
Poverty life.
poverty, tshokolo ra phanda. Guys, ke phela ke phana a ke batlo lo phana ko mjolo. Yo. Okay, for this.
What is the one thing that you've been dumped for? Oh, this is stupid.
No, mina bangidaphela nje ukuthi okay, distance.
That's valid.
That's valid.
That's
Yeah,
valid.
like,
Because
I think- Yeah, I mean, in most cases, ngibane inkinga
Yeah,
zabo
distance.
Yeah, the distance,
Yeah.
distance. Okay, yabona because okay, because it's strain khona la ekhaya. Then obvious, kuya ngokuya gcina sekusiphelela. But yeah, okunye no.
But now I think distance is not a problem. Distance is only a problem when communication is bad.
Now I don't know how to communicate. Shame in a distance relationship. I don't know this thing of always like, yo, how are you? How are you doing? And then we're talking and like, yo, batla mo man. Like, serious. Even my girl knows, like, when I'm back home, like, I'll try, you know? But at some point, like, yeah, man, like,
But if
to be constantly on the phone. Like, I'm with my friends at home. I'll call
Ukhona le
friends.
family.
Yeah, I'm with family. I don't see them in a...
video call. Also, I'm nothing because of like I'm a writer. And like I like texting. Like I
Yeah.
just like texting because sometimes you may text and I'm like, oh, what a great line for a poem, you know. So I need such things. Like I need texting. I need calls. I need communication. Oh,
Yeah.
Yes, that's fine.
Communicate. Yes, AI, perfect for you.
No, it's fine. Because kukhona abantu abanesikhathi sokuthi lo muntu lona sesikhathi sok chat,
Yeah.
text, like yena ne-phone, like bazwana, you understand? And then it's abantu abafana nathi. Okay, mina sikhulumile. The reason avoid ukuthi ngihlale ngisefonini in most cases ukuthi ngizogcine ngitextwa nangabantu ngo-12. Hello, I'm interested to join i-agent. I'm interested in this. Like the
Boro,
conversation,
naso.
angeke saphela, angeke ngisaba ne-private space, you understand?
Oh,
So
boundaries.
angeke sifane when it comes to into esifana nalezo. But i-communication, I think, yeah, when it comes to indaba zama-distance, kumele ibe khona.
Yeah.
But sometimes iphinde ihluphe futhi because mase sicommunicate kakhulu, we end up siluza into kumele sikhulume ngayo.
Not with me. Not with me. Asoze. I always have something to say.
King, you don't want to talk to me.
No, I don't do that. I have this thing like if I feel like I'm over texting, I distance myself because I feel like okay, I'm not wanted here. Like such signs to me, I'm like okay.
Sometimes it's not that situation.
I know, but
sometimes
it's literally it's just my mind. Guys, you could be dealing with life about
Yeah.
it's gunpoint easy, but to me, when I'm not
Yeah.
getting a text about like okay, I'm overstepping,
Yeah.
I'm not wanted. Oh
No,
yeah.
but now uyafila man. Angithi futhi nine bathini 6 cents.
Oh yes, you do.
Exactly. So now kwesinye isikhathi obvious uzofila ukuthi hey yabona sengikhulume kakhulu ngathi sengikhuluma ngi-1 or sengathi lo muntu ngiyambora or
And then
maybe
you withdraw.
yabona exactly.
When I was yours,
I just don't like a non-ambitious person.
but
Yeah, like, oh,
when
nah,
I'm comfortable,
like John, now I'm so focused, like I'm so into my dreams, right? So if we do not bring that kind of energy into the relationship, like you're okay.
No, it's like how Eddie Vale.
Yeah, nah, that's a huge deal breaker.
Like,
for
what
me.
feeling comfortable? Like, I'm not bashing like people who are comfortable in their work.
Yeah.
Mara, that is all.
Like,
you just want to do that.
bruh. Like, let's,
Like until 50, when sabat le bereka ko ulwetse. Ah, guys,
I can't with people like that.
like bereka ko ulwetse, but then do something for yourself. Like, hey,
Yeah.
And the one thing that I've been dumped for, this person says, wait a moment, I am too sweet. Like, I am too perfect.
you're too nice.
I'm too nice.
Oh, that can be boring. Why is it?
So,
I don't know. No, I want to cheat. But there are certain times I want to wake up and argue.
No, of course it's wrong. Yes, you say.
Like I need an argument just to breathe
Yeah, of course it's
proper,
wrong.
you know. Take my phone.
Kunenyawo mina nayo bayitshela kanjani useyimara nayo ngathi it's nice.
Like, I'm on 2K.
Wena sengathi we perfectionist.
Exactly. It's so like no.
No, I think kumele ube ne-drama because
Like,
i-drama
take my
iyasenza
phone.
ukuthi kube ne-something esingakhuluma.
Spark.
I guess it is spark.
Exactly. Take my phone.
I guess sisuke maybe from Kukia number 1 is gonna Kukia.
Exactly.
You understand?
Go drinking. Don't go drinking. It
Nice.
sure be once. It sure be once. Ooh, guys.
Or give us something to talk about. Now, if only I can ring a man of Ubamba, Ubano.
Give my exactly.
So I think it's better to have to be in a relationship of that opposite character. Yeah, a person that sees something and then upon like
Like-
drama.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Like what I'm doing now. But honestly, that is why like dealing with me, like me, I'm very dramatic. And I genuinely believe that every reaction should be dramatic. So as a guy, you need to just allow the drama to happen.
Nah.
How like aski some sort aski act. Let me act. Let me, nourish my character.
But all right, because they were born with the drama gene. You understand? So,
Don't you say you were born with drama G?
You just have to play along.
Yeah, kumele unleash the drama. You understand? Yeah, but it's part of nature. Yeah. You understand? Kumele vele babe nayo, you understand? Sengaba inkinga ke uma masibiya ngapha emajideni sekuba way out because the drama.
Yo.
Okay, and by the way, futhi nalento yokuthi ube nice ube sweet sekuba ngathi at some point nawe ngathi sengathi uya pretend. Ngathi nazinto zifihlayo.
What if you're just genuinely not a cheating person? You're not a
Being nice doesn't mean cheating. The one thing I've learned, I used to think relationship, like main thing is not to cheat. There are other things, like you have to trust a person with finances, children, and what. It's not just cheating. If I'll cheat the bonus, and then other things,
Yeah.
other things, other things come into play. But yeah, no, I've dealt with a guy. I didn't date him. Just it was a thing of a talk. So this guy, like I'm like, ukhule without ne. like ukhule without, because why are you so argumentative as a guy? Like I genuinely didn't get it. Like umushimani
and it's so difficult. But there's a friend of mine that actually does that, bruh. Like, phela argue until
Exactly. Bakhona abantu abanjalo like.
like a guy.
Yeah, bakhona.
So limo.
Like mina ngizokwenzela example angithi siyabhuka ama-artist bahamba bahlangane the background yabona sekubakhona lo ofuna ukuthi
main character.
the main character like bamove.
Have the last word.
Yeah, only main character syndrome. I can't deal with such
this guy
guys.
kahle is all about him or is on the highway. Uye nje waya uyakhuluma ufuna abantu bamuzwe uma uthi ukhuluma ngaloko yena already uyachazela ukuthi
What's the king? And I'm going to get like casting. I did not
Mara ba go bla director hore ale kry 20% le kry 5
wait, and one.
Eba inkinga vela abo Mr Know It All bazokunikeza nesizathu sokuthi why lento ibe why le flower ibe.
Listen, like I can't deal with such guys, honestly. It's like you're taking away my
what if it's a
femininity.
perfectionist? There's some people that are literally
You can be a perfectionist, ne?
not okay with everything.
But
Like,
when
they
I
have to.
I start bitching, don't bitch too, because now we're two bitches in the house.
Yes,
No.
but okunye kuhambisana ne-sense of humor futhi. Because in most cases ukhona uthola ukuthi umuntu akanayo nale sense of humor. It's like ngathi uyangena nje.
Yeah,
Understand?
correct.
Like eVandal, you understand? Like uyagijima nje akabheki.
Like oshapa joke, take when I smile.
Yeah.
Okay, those are deal breakers, but fair too interesting. Some interesting deal
Very.
breakers. Another topic that I wanted to bring out is that I actually saw this post. It says that kids from rich families never become songomas. And why is that?
Nah, honestly. How could it soft ukole with mandimona ka switch. Mapenzi ba ka severba. Like
Why is that? Like, I don't understand. Because sangomas are there when our lives are not going right, we go consult. Gore di lifestyle rona di right. Re nne le child. So how come kids from rich families, like, they never have o ka se bone ba tlhopiwe gore aba phanzi
Gore he go go funa imbuzi. So
ba bona le ona child ambuzi
Ebana lona tšhelete mbuzi. E ga ba dimbuzi abafe.
No.
yalo go tla tlhopiwa gona batho ba sena child ambuzi.
No, but I think mina ngaphandle kwale upbringing I think okunye nale environment iphinde idlale
Yeah, it adds to
yeah,
it.
like you understand. Okay, the suburbs, the pubs. Like abantu abakhona abanaso isikhathi sokuthi kumele kube nomuntu ozofika nembuzi azoslice imbuzi lana because kumele kwenziwe ama rituals thizeni, you understand, njengathi singama Africans, ne? So obviously if ukhula kule environment lapho khona isilwane okay, so cala ngesilwane ukuthi isilwane kahle asibulawa like
Isilwane ki-animal.
yabona le ilwane lezo kumele siphahle ngazo the rituals njengoba bengisho akumele ukuthi abantwana babe expose lezo zinto because thina la ekhaya asikwenzi lokho and then abantwana bala ekhaya bafunda kuma modern schools kukhulunywa isilungu. And then the party yama ancestors nanani ngathi asiyithinte kakhulu because siphila kahle man, like we are managed
The guys.
like ayikho into
You know what to sustain bonate bo tlampo no tlhabe mbuzi nyana.
Ba itlela monate wa teng, ba itlela. And o tsebe go di morals school ne tsona di ritual tse ba bitsa animal in danger ne. Go ro di bona. Guys.
So are you telling me that the ministers don't do rituals?
no abanye
If baloya.
yeah bangakwenza yabona because obviously bane space sabo sokuthi bangakwenza ngithi sinama stop nonsense this and that sharp. But abanye abantu abambisana lokho because if you want to slaughter a coat kwezinye indawo bakubona bomakhelwane the white folks bazothi no ifonela ne-SPCA sesinenkinga
Just committed murder.
so uyabulala.
Speaking about white people, guys, something was trending yesterday. 50 people, Afrikaners from South Africa,
Baba.
They are living.
but only 50.
And no, basatla Donald Trump. Mur. This is what they do. They come, they fuck up everything, and then they leave. Happen lots of the rape, the suicide, it's all of this religion thing, because yo guys, it is so sad. Like religion is the saddest thing on earth because of we have people coming from poor background giving all of themselves to the kereke. Like people
that is
worship
true.
churches.
That is true.
Now, you don't worship God, you worship a church. How first of all, udula ko hostel. Hostel e o patala 1,000, o gola 5,000. 3.5 ka fa duisa ko kerekeng. Morutu na le bodyguard. And then you think it's okay. You are
No, because
Do you think people are brainwashed? Is it
They
a
are.
brainwash situation?
They are.
Yeah.
They are brainwashed.
Yeah, because
And how is it like? No, I don't make it make sense. How is it that it's always the poorest of the poor that always fall victim to?
I can't get to Bible because the Bible,
But you've been
in a way,
you've been
it's
doing
saying
this
that
for
it's
50
okay to
years.
be poor.
I think okunye kamisana nokuthi obvious poor men feel it. I'm into poor. In order for ukuthi into zakho ziphumelele kube na busy kumele ngikhulume something nice. kumele ngubonise ukuthi isonto lami li-powerful kangakanani. Kumele ngutshele ngokuthi okay, that's why they even get scammed kalula, because it's all about ukuthembisa ukuthi okay, sharp, as much as uphuka kusasa,
If you do this,
situation okuyo kusasa uzobe ungekho.
But not 20 years down the line, you've been doing something every day for the kusasa, and then 20 years.
Akusuthele ethembeni ukuthi okay, sharp, ithi sacrifice,
And then you die.
ngibona ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. Okay, ithi ngizame at this time, maybe ngizoba ngcono.
Now, guys, I do believe in God. I believe in Jesus, but I believe that He helps those that are helping themselves.
No, lapho right, because even the Bible
Yeah,
says,
because now if I'm just locked up in my room praying the whole time, potheads young invited to the podcast, I don't even pitch. God will make a way. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, because
Because a lot of people, man, like guys,
I think that's why they get scammed.
I can't.
But
No, I can't.
baruti they study this thing, and then they study psychology. So you can imagine you can do things psychologically to people. That is a negative. There was a time I went to church, Koval. Yeah, the cabaret pepe above, fire.
That's all right.
And then the person's like, oh, there's someone in here who was sent by the devil. I'm like, hey, man, oranna. And then the thing that pissed me off, like I actually saw the miracle people just about. Like I'm saying, how? Miracle, how? I'm like, hi, bo.
No,
And then the only person seeing this.
Remember, Pela, you're not part of the team. Because I think there was a time kunenye out yangitshela ukuthi bake baba recruiter lapha eJoburg Park. Joburg Park indawo la kuhlala khona abantu abanye abangazi ukuthi kumele benzeni. For the rest of the day bahlala khona la. Bafike ke ba approach umfundisi athi okay, sharp. Ake nibuye ngizonibhadala. Into enizoyenza nizongi-actela. Because la person
So pastors actually do that.
They do.
Yeah,
Let me make it a casting agent.
Back off!
Bakasta talente.
Yathini yonke indawo. Depending on so this certain pastor angamazi ukuthi ubani igama lakhe abathathe ke labantu abanye ke bahamba omunye abantu ukuthi mabafika lapha kumele ba-act bayenze lento ibe proper bazokwazi ukuconvince abantu ukuthi the sonto powerful
khona le miracle
And happened to churches are in competition, ne?
they are
Because of
because
the
of competition.
That is sad,
There was
guys. But
there was
everybody is talking about the same God. I don't understand that.
There was this guy, I forgot his name, Pitor. And he revealed the darkness he had to do for what.
Darkness.
The darkness. So apparently, like, I guess I'll check out his name, probably drop the link with this link so you guys can see. So, I'm sure give Zimbabwe, Nigeria, but those other countries, ritually, like all night, I forgot the whole story. And then, so every time I say it was the amount of people that would keep on coming. So the more Ebola did they, a lot of people keep on coming and but like a chelet. So also they have this thing like most of these churches, baruti bateng abak any before putero. But and then they come like they're always late. So apparently that allowed them how can this is the one. Hey, Papa. Bo Papa.
Yeah, go to Papa.
Papa. Wow.
No, but I want to understand. Doesn't the power of Jesus kind of like take that?
That's the thing. They don't preach.
Because when they talk about it in the name of Jesus Christ.
Exactly. They just say in the name of Jesus Christ, but everything that they're saying is not in the Bible. They never preach about things in the Bible because when they do that, so they need to talk about the miracles, body, the tithing. So they never talk about anything in the Word of God.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or maybe bangakota eBhayibhelini, but obviously eBhayibhelini kunama-verse abangawaquota and then
About what
twist.
and they always quote the
Understand?
good parts, like
Yeah,
oh, when the time is right, either Lord will. What is the
exactly.
word before that? I don't know when the
And
time is
and
right.
also Judgment Day. They always like to talk
Judgment Day.
Judgment Day. And
Gore ing.
Angithi i-strategy
so that people
sokuthi
can
the
always
time
see-
is now. Uma kumele
yeah.
ubhadale, kumele ukhokhe ama-flights, wenze manje
Ora
because
go heaven,
uzoshona and then kuzoba
o patala heaven. Ah,
Yeah,
guys,
you
ke patala
understand?
heaven jwang?
Because it's so sad for our mothers and our.
Na at least mmaga ke mission. Ha ba ka scam ba koloka di ranta. A go bet. A go bet.
Pastor Mositsho ke tlala.
Ba go-
Ke di ranta tsa bone.
Them.
Ke profession gape le ona ba.
It's a profession, but because it's like professional, you must pay me. I bet it's like the people can give back, but it's the cabbage, the what, not that gagarega.
And recently bekunale show le evelile edlala SABC 1
Abo pastors.
Cutting Age. There was this guy okhuluma ngokuthwalisa. Uke mention ukuthi kunabafundisi abathwele. Uze washo ukuthi abanye bafaka nama-ring.
Yeah.
Ngale sandla se-ring obvious ama-power lawo
Di-ring.
makashaya into ayenzayo.
Even politicians, they have those kind of rings. Even politician, actually ring at the baby, but that ring, it's you can like why born and so back in the what in that ring, so over like lemata, like wherever you show up like but how that azella. Man, this person just show up at jiggy wabo.
Mina abanye abafundisi bazothini bazothi sharp iBhayibheli likhona labhalwa abantu. Jesus Christ naye was also a human being. So that's why akathuki or akasabi ukuthi angashumayela afakele into zabo yabo understand with the spirit of darkness enzakalayo ngaye.
So how does one protect themselves from?
You might just know the word of God for yourself.
Nah.
Bible
For yourself.
meditate, pray
But
for yourself.
The real Bible.
I felt like it was edited. I mean, first of all, it was created by people probably to
to
make
push a certain propaganda.
Yeah.
exactly
push
more
certain
keeping the
propaganda.
poor. Because a lot of churches, because they have this notion of West.
And okunye-ke bathi nalo labhala ngoba bafuna nokusicolonize
Exactly.
because abantu abamnyama obvious uma zoba switcha ukuthi babuye ngapha ku-Christianity obvious bazokwazi ukutholela ezinye izinto and they'll read the Bible benze lezi zinto.
That's why I like Christianity.
Simple ukuthi babe sharp.
And then when you have to come with the tradition part, it's a problem. And that is why a lot of like black people, they're fucked up. Their finances, everything is not in order.
But, bruh, like, Bogos Kochen, how come this woman.
Logos contain
Kiki Ole
back.
Yeah, she was.
The yellow boat.
Ngokho Maweni uTumi.
Maweni ki odag.
Maweni star.
Koteni ki
She's huge.
BBL.
BBL.
Yes.
Oh,
Totally,
the
white
BBL one.
Yeah.
I guess now she switched from being a traditional healer to being a pastor.
Yeah.
Apparently now she has her own church and then she's got a lot of congregants and
Do you know what I like about her? She's very honest. With a lot of things that she's done, she's very honest. I think there was a video of hers, like she was just confessing. And I'm not sure if she was aware she was confessing. Mara never got the way gore, kusangoma, there's a whole lot of fakeness.
Yeah,
What, like she was just exposing.
Confessile ukuthi lento
Ayiyo.
sama ngathi
I think.
understand? Yeah, into ezikanjalo. Cha yena ukhuluma.
because I remember when she posted that she has a church now and now
Who's
people,
on the character?
Yeah,
Who's
people
on
are
the
buying
train session?
yeah, brain session.
No, the tickets are for free. So what they did, the tickets are for free. So it was that thing at reservation. You reserve to come
Yeah.
there. And then I guess ba Thomas lead opportunist ba patimisa bana ba batho. But she did clarify gore it's not a paying thing. I see gig into it. Like you just come in there to pray. Nama ke rapolo luwan. O lo rapela kwa o tsela memo ya batho me snacks. What do you tlo thala ka
Yeah,
lona?
because I don't understand. Like, are these contradicting things, or can you believe in both at the same time? That's an issue.
Nothing you can as long as you believe in God, it's fine. My only problem is now if you believe in God, or thing or ring, Modimo le ena ke letlozi la Jesu. Azanga boya.
Yeah, I mean, so there's an issue. Yeah.
But we're African, so it's very a lot of people when they speak, ne? But as Africans, we have our own traditional beliefs.
We do,
To understand.
but they were suppressed.
Yeah,
So
there
we
was
don't have
suppressed.
access to them.
So it's very important for us to carry on our traditional things, but don't forget, even some prophets or some, they also, before they talk to Bapanzi, they pray. They pray to God.
So you must acknowledge both worlds.
Yeah.
For Mudimu, le batho ba kwa gae, ka le
Yeah,
bitsa.
angithi into enzakalayo iBhayibheli isukela lebula labantu bethu abashona.
Ba re ke madimoni.
Amadimoni. We understand. Yes. Uyabona? Yes. Into ezikanjalo. And then ukhumbule futhi kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi iBhayibheli lithini lifuna sithathe kakhulu as Christianity singabi singaklik singahlangani kakhulu nento zethu thina abantu abamnyama, understand? Nako kunye. And bathi vele bekakhona umlenze ngamunye umveli ngane, something like that. Nabasayichaza le ndaba, but it shows ukuthi kuningi abasidiverta kiko ukuthi akumele singene ngapha, but bafuna kwangathi singangena ngapha. Kube ngathi basicolonize ngendlela ethizeni ukuthi sizokwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto.
Stay woke, people. Stay woke.
Stay woke.
And if you're not woke, this show will actually help you get there. So make sure that you tune in every
Oh, by the way, futhi naku-history, sekuriveliwe manje ukuthi the most richest man owabakhona emhlabeni, it was a black man, Mansa Musa. The guy from Mali. Yeah.
Where is he now? Where is his children? So his children, generational wealth?
I think angazi mhlambi iqhubekile, but most of ama mosque aseMali akhiwe nguye, because everywhere la bekamba khona bekaphatha i-gold and salt.
Okay.
Props. Black excellence.
Yeah, Mansa
Now
Musa.
this is black excellence. Now this is black excellence. Even the
Russian president ngase kaqala ukurivela ukuthi kahle kahle basifihlela. Jesus Christ beyangekho mhlophe.
Wait, come on, Russian.
Bekadark.
I've been hearing a lot of that.
Kuthini?
Oh, like that guy.
That's Jesus Christ was black.
He's black, because that guy did the most black thing. He salaisa kung manawa boya. The whites don't do that. They show up for their kids.
I know. Salayla, how much?
But you think that dala was manipulation?
Yes. That is how you know he's black.
He went to bad. And his day coming back.
He's so black.
Yabona kahle kahle ziningi izinto abasimanipulate kizo, because uma ngikhumbula kahle even iJack Daniels lelo tshwala, yes, Jack Daniels umuntu omhlophe, but the person owenza the
It was a black person, yeah.
Peanut butter, potato chips.
And then the white person came and stole the idea and ran with it. So mananje like and then make it everything like it's theirs. That is why because they can't stand to be the pigs themselves. Anyway, tune in to the next episode before one cancel. Thank you for coming. Shope, Rokozani, Zulu guy, Raivala, Kadiak.
Yeah, bye. Valile.
Wow. Thank you.